Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Mara Grace, and today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing process of this phone. I got this phone for Christmas, and actually by this point it's already been unboxed, so hi, here's my phone. I actually have it upside down. Here's my phone. But I filmed the unboxing process of this over on my desk, so let's hop into that footage now. Alright, so here we have the iPhone 11 Pro in the case. I don't want to have my ring light on because I think it'll just reflect off of this too badly and look weird, so I'm trying to use, the natural light from the window. But that is what it looks like in the case, in the box. Oh, please focus. Thank you. That is what it looks like. So we're going to take this plastic wrap off. That nice clean peel that you get from Apple products. Alright, let's just open this up. Ta-da! So I got the silver one. So that's what the phone looks like. I'm going to take this out very carefully. Okay. And as you can see, it's the full screen, which is definitely a difference from my current phone. Give me 1 second, I'll bring my current phone over, hang on. So this is my current phone in the Redbubble case that I did a video on a while ago. But you can see here, well, I don't know, maybe you can't, but as you know, it's about the same size. This is just slightly bigger. But the screen on this one goes from the bottom up to the top, whereas this is just the screen. So kind of nice to have, a bigger screen on this one. Let's take this out of the picture for a minute. So, okay. Please stay focused. Oh my god. So this is what this looks like. And you can see it's got this silver metallic siding here. The buttons feel really nice, which, I mean, they always do. I've had iPhones for years now. But, yeah, this looks gorgeous, and this is the one that has the third camera, and I really wanted the third camera so I could do those long distance shots. So let's before we get into that some more, let's see what's in the rest of the box. We have this little Designed by Apple card, which has all the information and stickers in it, and then we have a plug for the wall. This is actually a lot bigger than the old ones were, and I see that this has the new, it's not like a regular USB, it's the USB-C. So that should be interesting to use. I haven't used one like that before. And then we've got the headphones, which, if I'm not mistaken, these are the headphones that have the, they have the lightning bottom, whereas instead of the headphone jack, because this phone, unlike my old one, does not have a headphone jack. None of the new iPhones have headphone jacks, so as you can see, this has this instead of a headphone jack. And then, of course, there is the lightning cable. This one has the USB-C on the end, which is an interesting upgrade, but it makes sense since the new MacBooks all have that USB-C. And it's nicely folded this time. Like previously, it would be folded in a kind of weird way, but that wasn't great for the cable, but this looks like it's like a lot better packed, if that makes sense. So let's take a look at the phone again. Move all this lovely stuff out of the way, but keep it in the frame and pray that the camera stops blurring out. So let's take the plastic off. Actually, let me get the case. So I got a temporary case for the time being, which is this. Not the prettiest case, but it's got a ring on it, and I wanted to see how I liked that because I have a problem of dropping my phone, so I want to give that a shot. And here we go. Beautiful. Let's get from the other. Wow. It's so sleek, and I don't want to break it. So I don't know how this case works exactly. I think it goes like this.
or not. I guess you just pop it in. So let's there we go. And there we have my new phone. Oh, I got fingerprints all over it already, because of course I did, but well, it was gonna happen anyway. Let's turn it on. There we go. What's interesting about this is that it's been a while since Apple has had black boxes on their, sorry, I just jingled the camera everywhere, black boxes. So what I mean by black boxes is that I kept all my phone boxes over the years. So this was from my iPhone 4 that I got several years ago, and as you can see it's like black on the top here. Then they did the 5, this was the 5S, and it has like a white box. The 6S had a white box. Also, you can see how like the phones have grown in size. I always found this one to be a very awkward size, but it's not about this. So this one had a white box, and then this one is back to that black box. The only difference is if you turn them both over, it was white here, it was black here. So it's an interesting little little thing to note. It's interesting that the camera's picking up these lines because these lines aren't visible in person. But anyway, this phone is on. I'm gonna go set it up. I'm gonna go back this one up first, and then get this one all set up and ready to go and play around with this ring because I want to see how much I like it. And that's pretty much it for this little segment. And like I said, please ignore these lines because that's not actually on the screen. But yeah, you can see the size difference in the screens. It's pretty impressive.
Alright, that is it for this unboxing video. Box, phone, hi. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more unboxing videos, let me know because I do enjoy doing them, but like I just don't know if people want to see that. I probably will be getting a new phone case for this, which I mentioned in the Christmas video, so if you haven't watched that, go check that out because Christmas stuff is fun. But anyway, I might be getting a new case for this phone, and if I do, I'll probably do an unboxing of that because it's probably going to be a Redbubble case, at least now as I'm filming this, which by the time this goes out, it's going to be a while. I mean, I'm filming this on December 27th, but by the time this goes out, it might be February, so who knows. But regardless, by the time this goes out, I will probably already have a case. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll just keep this one. Anyway, I'm rambling now. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications so you get notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, or at least I attempt to do every Monday. Don't always succeed, but that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and until next time, bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Mara Grace, and today I'm going to be showing you around... Oh, I forgot the other thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm rambling now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to